Hey, what's going on, guys? Nate here with Spiritus Systems. So, ShotShow 2023, we've got a bunch of new products here that we'd love to show you guys. So, go ahead and just get right into it. One of the first new things that we're going to be having coming out is going to be the hand warmer called the Muff. It's going to be either attached around the waist or optionally, if you want to hang it from your chest rig or plate carrier, so you'll have the versatility there. The hip belt itself will be fully detachable if you so choose. You're going to have a little front pocket for storage, as you can see, just for like little extra items that you might need. Simple sign, just pass through both sides. It's got a little bit of extra structure to it, so when you actually go to put your hands inside, it's not going to collapse in on itself like some other hand warmers. Moving right along here, colorways. So we're going to be offering almost all of our products as we can over time in tropic, arid, and woodland. This has been something that people have been asking for quite a while. We heard you, so we're going to try to roll that out as we can. We have our new Fanny Sacks. So we have the new, this is just going to be the Fanny Sack XL, name to be determined. It's going to be just essentially the same thing as the old Fanny Sack in terms of just general principle. However, it's just going to be larger, so if you want to conceal carry a staccato or something crazy, you'll be able to do that. We're going to have the breacher version, which is going to have same footprint of size. It's going to have loops on the front for charges or other items that you want to secure. On the back here, it's going to have a flap in case you want to hang it off of your plate carrier or chest rig, and it's also going to have elastic. It's going to have elastic loop in case you want to do any more charges on the back of the pouch as well. Getting into this guy, we showed this off at ShotShow last year. This is the Delta bag. Don't have to get too much into it, but just generally 3 main pockets here. They're going to clamshell open like that. Velcro field on the inside. Velcro for mounting for patches, lights. You're going to have a space up top for your medical shears and a chem light. Along the spine, we'll have mounting for additional pouches or tourniquets as needed. Getting onto the inside here, we're going to have these 2 large Velcro fields, and this is just going to be kind of in line with our philosophy for a lot of our products. It's a plug-and-play system. It's not going to come with any of these, but you can put your own inserts in there and kind of get it to a point where you want it. More lash points along the inside of the spine. And then we're going to have 2 hangers as well for when you want to hang this up at your casualty collection point or something like that. And also, it's going to have on the back here 2 flat pack pouches for chest seals or any other items like that. And it's going to come with these backpack straps, fairly minimal. Our goal was to make something that wouldn't get in the way of your plate carrier for when you want to shoulder your rifle, because some people have that problem where the backpack strap gets into the shoulder pocket and then they have difficulty with that. So fairly minimal. These are removable if you want to get rid of them and go to something else. And that's going to be pretty much everything on the table. I'd like to shift over here to these 2 mannequins. All right, so transitioning over here to these 2 mannequins. First one, we have a MOLLE back panel here with a bunch of pouches mounted onto it. Biggest thing is going to be this magic stick breacher pouch. So this is going to be for your long charges. Should you so choose to run those on the back, you'll have the ability to hit those up. We're going to have the TKO pouch, tourniquet, kestrel, other things. We showed this off a little while ago, but we didn't really show it in this specific role. So as you can see, we have flashbangs in here for your teammates to access. And then shifting over here, for the LBE crowd and the people that need something for a little bit more sustainment, we have this new butt pack. So it has laser cut MOLLE, 2 rows going down the sides. We have water bottle pouches mounted on here currently. We have a little front pocket right here for small items or just quick access things. This is a roll top design. So if you need to add more items to this, you'll be able to do it fairly easily. You'll just roll it up less and then re-clip it back in. And that's more or less how that's going to go. It's going to clip directly in to your 34 alpha split rig. So you can go from a chest rig configuration to a load-bearing belt kit if you should so choose. Yeah, and actually here, real quick, while we're here, I apologize. Did I talk about the pistol mag pouch yet?
I don't believe so.
Okay, yeah. Pistol mag pouch. So this is going to be a new item that we have coming out as well. So we're going to have these two little lash points on both sides here in case you need extra retention. It's going to be secured by one wrap on the back. It has laser cut for if you want to do belt mounting or if you need to do molly mounting. And it's going to have Hank on the inside so that it adds that nice little level of retention so that you're not actually going to lose magazines or other items. And it also comes with a small little piece of elastic in case you're running a single stack magazine and you want to have that extra little bit of retention on the magazine. So this is the Spud pouch with the Pangolin Flap on it. Not everyone's been aware of this, so we just go ahead and reiterate on it. So you're going to have these perforations in the flap itself, and what these allow for is additional retention and a lot more modularity in terms of conforming to the contents of the pouch. So when I crank down on this and I secure it, the perforations in the flap are conforming and grabbing on whatever is actually in the pouch. And this allows for maximum retention without having to swap inserts or anything else like that. So I can go from running MP5 mags in here to running M4 mags to a smoke grenade and vice versa, and I don't really have to do a whole lot of adjusting. I do also have this little bit of shot cord on the side in case I do need to adjust the tension on the top of the pouch. And then also, the Pangolin Flap is sold separately by itself. It is also removable, and this allows for you to run shot cord across the top of the Spud pouch itself in case you want to do a fast mag or something like that. You have that option. And yeah, that's the Spud pouch.
If you like this video and want to support us, check out the MIL-SPEC Monkey Store. Although known for morale patches, we also specialize in a good selection of DIY hardware and tactical accessories.